today is a bit of an update on the pony and what I've done with the car. I haven't done a video for a little while now, and also see if I can install some pinstriping on the car just to finish off the Mustang stripes that I did the other week. Yeah, it should be interesting. Let's see how we go. So I've done a few updates to the car, some few mods. I'll go through them first of all. The most obvious one is obviously the striping of the car. Just turn the camera around. There we go. So I bought the vinyl wrap off good old eBay, and I think I paid about $55 for it, for 3 metres by 1.5 metres of black vinyl wrap. And then I've got a local sign shop that we use for our business, that do signs for us, for our client and that, to cut them up. That cost me a carton of beer, which was pretty cheap. And then my business partner and I spent about 7 hours installing the stripes. It's not the easiest of jobs, it's not perfect, but I'm really happy with the end result. It's certainly changed the attitude of the car. So yeah, now what I want to do is put some blue pinstriping along the edge here. Let's see if I can get the camera right. Turn it down like that. Yeah, just down along the either side of the black stripes through there. I won't have to do it over the roof naturally enough, but yeah, along the front. I'll start down right down at the nose lip, at the chin split I should say, go all the way up over the bonnet, and then over the back part here, over this part, and then down at the bottom to just above the diffuser there. The other update I did is I bought this GT 350 style rear wing from eBay as well. Excuse me, sorry, I've got a bit of a frog in my throat this morning. Had to drill it in. That was an interesting job to do. I had no template at all, so I watched excuse me, I watched naturally enough a couple of YouTube channels on how guys have done it, and I'll see if I can pop in some photos that I took whilst I was doing the install. Fairly straight, lot of measuring though, to make sure you get it exactly where you want it. But yeah, 4 holes in it, double-sided stick tape, a lot of cleaning, and yeah, I think it came out really well actually. I'm really happy with that. It's not too in your face, but yeah, no, I'm well happy with the end result. Also, I got these ones installed, the side window scoops. They're an Eleanor style Savini, Eleanor style scoop. See if we can get a better picture around the other side. The old boy painted them up for me in gloss 2-pack black, and yeah, it come up really smart. These ones are just double stick taped on as well, which I was a little bit worried about at first, but it seems to be hanging on really well, so well happy with that. The next update I did was the front side scoops on the splitter. Really easy to install. They just basically drill and push pin clip in underneath. You do have to take a couple of screws out from underneath that holds the tray underneath the car, but the pins, they push up into that tray when you drill through anyways, and they just add that little accentuation to the front chin splitter. I didn't want to go for a full different style chin splitter on the front. I really like this one, so yeah, really very happy with that. The last mod I've done is under the bonnet, I think. Yeah, I'll just pop the bonnet up away. Yeah, I bought this Mishimoto strut tower brace that you see here. This little item just here, fairly easy to install. Just stiffens up the front end a little bit, as I am starting to try to do more track days with the car, and I don't know how much difference it will make. I guess we'll find out maybe if I can feel it when I go out on the track again, which will be hopefully very soon. It just depends on the heat and work, but yeah, it's come up pretty smart. I got that from Mustang Motorsports, I think. Yeah, pretty sure I did, and yeah, it was a really good price. So that was that. Alright, so let's get cracking with this pinstriping. First thing I have to do is take off the number plates, front and rear, give it a good old clean up, and yeah, see how I'm going to line all this up and see how we go with it, because I've never done pinstriping before, and as I said, it was the first attempt on any form of vinyl wrapping. So yeah, it should be interesting, that's for sure. Let's have a look on the bonnet, see what we got. Well, not the bonnet, the boot maybe. Let's try the boot. Alright, so screwdriver, cleaning cloths, knife set. It's just one of those artsy craftsy knife sets, scalpel type things. Borrowed off my wife. Thank you, wife. Some alcohol cleaner, a little squeegee thing that I used for the wrap, just in case I need it. Got some quick detailer yesterday as well. And these are the stripes. Pinstripes, got them down at Autobarn. I think they're about $10 a packet. This is a 10 metre roll. And yeah, I'm doing it in hopefully what looks like almost like a grabber blue colour. See if I can get it in the sun. There we go. Is that going to work? Yeah, something like that. I think this is a 5mm pinstripe. Length 10 metres. Yeah, it doesn't really say, but it looks like around about 5mm, give or take. So yeah, alright, we'll get going and take off the number plates first and see how we're going to line this baby up. Stage 1 done. Alright, so that's the number plates taken off. Next thing is to prep the surface with some alcohol and a soft cloth. So, got the alcohol and the microfiber towel. There we go. I don't know which way I'm going to start first. I might start with the bonnet first, I think, and do the really tricky one first. Alright, we'll give it a clean. That's the front section wiped down. So I didn't wipe down the whole lot, only just the area where I'm applying the strip, the stripe. So I've cleaned down there, cleaned down on each side of the outside edges there, and yeah, all right, we'll open up the pack. See what it looks like inside the pack. Pin striping. This model there. Jeez, not doing well here with the camera footage. Sorry guys. There we go. So we'll open her up and see how we go with the first run. There we go, bonnet done. Happy days. Mine's come up really good. Well, happy with that. That was a lot easier than what I thought it was going to be, that's for sure. Alright, well, we'll continue on with the front bumper bar and down to the chin splitter. Alright, so that's the front end part done. Let's have a sticky beak, eh? There we go. Fairly straightforward to do, not too bad. You know, for first attempt, I'm pretty happy with that. Don't worry about too much how the black lines line up on the inside there. It was very, very hard to get that lined up with a similar sort of gap. Well, the number plate hides it, so it was a bit of a compromise. They're not a pre-cut factory stripe that I put on. They were just laser cut at the printing shop, and that was it. So overall, I'm very happy with the result. That really pops. Just accentuates the blue, a little bit of blue on it. Come around this way, see if that works a bit better for you. Yeah, well happy with that. Alright, onto the back. Well, that was a lot harder because the boot is concave. Yeah, concave. So to get the line down and then through and then out and then even was a real bugger. The first one went down all right. The second one I had a little bit of trouble with, but we got there in the end. So yeah, really happy with that. Nice one. All right, on to the next bit of the boot there, and then down on through to the bumper. So there we go, all installed. Overall, fairly easy to put on. A little bit of mucking around, but yeah, nothing too major. Very, very happy with the end result. Come around the back. And there it is, pinstriped up. Super stoked with that. Just makes the black lines just pop that little bit more. See if I can get this camera to work properly for me. Using one of these new dongle things. So overall, very happy with the result. So there we are, all done, all cleaned up. Got the pinstripes on, which is really good. I'll give you a little bit of a tour of the car. And so there we are. It took around about at least an hour and a half or something like that. A little bit of mucking around. I wasn't quite happy with the ones that were concave, especially on the boot part. Really hard to line them up. But we got there in the end, so yeah, happy with the result. Hopefully it comes through out on the video okay for you guys to see that, you know, it's not that hard to do. Just take your time with it, be patient, and yeah, you'll get the result that you're after. anyways, I'll call that a wrap for today. Take it for a spin a little bit this afternoon. Might go down to the beach and go for a walk on the beach with the wife. So looking forward to that. So anyways, you guys have a great day. If you like the video, give it a good old thumbs up for me. Much appreciated. And make sure you hit the subscribe button and the notification button for more videos coming up on Red Match 1970. You guys have a great day. Take care. See ya.